I took my first flight a few weeks after I actually got my learner's permit, going into my sophomore year in high school. I felt pretty confident, but the moment I knew was when I got out of the plane on my first flight. My father wanted to take a serious picture with me and I just couldn't wipe the smirk off my face. I was sold on it and knew that's what I wanted to do as a career. I became a cadet program ambassador about 2 years ago now, working with the various recruiters from Piedmont Airlines. And they've helped me develop a sense of family in that airline. They've given me guidance, different recommendations, and tools to help me be successful within the industry. A piece of advice actually from a Piedmont pilot was at a regional airline: do not chase a base, do not chase an airplane. Those will come with time as a major airline pilot. For now, you're looking to get the flight hours and the experience to move on and to better yourself. Piedmont has really stepped up the game with their new $25,500 package, spread out, along with adding different things such as flight benefits and giving growth opportunities, especially to potential ambassadors. It does have basing options that I'm looking for. They're also flying their pilots quite a bit. Somebody may have gotten their pilot certificate, for example, at a small non-towered airport, and they're looking to get into the industry, but they don't know how. So that's where Piedmont is allowing these options by opening up the programs to these pilots. I had a lot of different kind of variations in my dream when I first started flying when I was 15. But kind of now I'm seeing a more and more concentrated path of now I finally have the options to go to Piedmont. 5 or so years from then, using the flow going to American. I keep feeling one step closer and closer, and now it's finally coming together and really bringing all of this work to fruition.